CSX northbound. This could be that local train. But forget the local symbol. But forget this local symbol. I wonder if it's CSX northbound H707. I mean H709. What's up? Yeah! Oh, everyone! Say hi to Parker. Hey, Parker!
Hi.
Parker, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Tell us your YouTube channel.
CSX Ohio, Railfan Plus.
You hear that, everyone? Subscribe to that YouTube channel. Is it CSX Ohio Railfan Plus? Yeah, that's the channel. CSX Ohio Railfan Plus. Make sure you subscribe to that channel. He's here, and he's from...
changing color.
And where you from? Cleveland?
Medina.
And he's from Medina, so everyone, subscribe to the YouTube channel called CSX Ohio Railfan Plus. Also, if you know the CSX local symbol in this... if you know the CSX local symbol and... If you know the CSX northbound local symbol and the CSX local destination, please comment on it in the comment section of this video. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.